Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and lifestyle solutions. Today, we've got something special for those of you who spend long hours staring at computer screens, feeling cramped, and dealing with those pesky aches and pains. It's time for a game changer, the Mount Pro Single Monitor Wall Mount. This wall mount means business. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk specs. This wall mount is designed for both comfort and convenience. Made from sturdy aluminum, it's built to last. It's compatible with a wide range of monitor sizes, from 13 to 32 inches, and it can handle monitors weighing from 2.2 to 17.6 pounds. But what sets this apart is its full motion adjustment. You can tilt your monitor from plus 90 degrees to minus 45 degrees to reduce screen glare. You've got a 180 degrees swivel and a 360 degrees rotation, so whether you're working, gaming, or sharing your screen with a colleague, you've got all the flexibility you need. And the best part? You can even switch from landscape to portrait mode seamlessly. But that's not all. Let's talk ergonomics. Are you tired of those aches in your neck, shoulders, and back from a long day at the desk? This wall mount allows you to adjust the height and angle of your monitor to suit your preferences, whether you're sitting or standing. It's all about making your daily work easier, improving productivity, and reducing stress. When mounted on the wall, the Mount Pro Single Monitor Wall Mount frees up valuable desk space, giving you a tidy and clutter-free workspace. And with its integrated cable management system, your AV and power cords stay organized and out of sight. So, whether you're a creative professional, a hardcore gamer, or simply someone looking to upgrade their workspace, this wall mount has got you covered. It's versatile, comfortable, and sleek, a perfect blend in any environment. You can even watch your monitor from different seating positions or adjust it to the perfect height for both sitting and standing. In a world where your workspace matters more than ever, the Mount Pro Single Monitor Wall Mount is here to make a difference. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay productive and stay ergonomic with Mount Pro.